In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all objects in Draw.io. This is a quick but powerful skill that makes editing diagrams faster and more consistent, especially when you need to move everything at once or apply a style change across your entire canvas. First, open your web browser and go to Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. If you're asked where to save your work, choose the storage option you prefer, then open an existing diagram or start with a blank canvas. Give the page a moment to load so the editor and canvas are fully ready. You'll know you're set when you can see the grid and the shape library on the left. Before using the shortcut, click once on an empty area of the canvas. This tells the app you're working on the diagram itself. If your cursor is inside a text field or search box, the shortcut will act on the text instead of the diagram, so that quick click on the background is important. Now to select everything on the page, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Linux. If you're on a Mac, press Command+A. Instantly, every shape, connector, and label on the current page should become highlighted. You'll see selection handles and outlines around the objects, confirming that the entire diagram is selected as a group. With everything selected, you can move the whole layout by dragging anywhere within the selection. If you need precise adjustments, you can nudge the group using your arrow keys. This is also the perfect moment to apply global style changes. Try changing a font, a fill color, or a line style. Those updates apply to all selected items at once, keeping your diagram consistent without having to edit each object one by one. If you only wanted to inspect what's selected or you're done making changes, clearing the selection is just as simple. Click once on an empty spot on the canvas to deselect everything. Make sure you click the background rather than a shape. Otherwise, you'll select a single object. If your diagram fills the screen and it's hard to find empty space, zoom out slightly so you have a clear area to click. And that's it. You've opened Draw.io, selected all objects with a single shortcut, and deselected with one click. This small habit saves time and keeps your edits clean and consistent. Thanks for watching, and keep building great diagrams with confidence.